mar 9/2018 manen jalendo Jackie Maribe ma bende nodonjne gi ketho mar nekno to notony bang' doho yango ni onge neno matude gi nek mar Monica Kimani. Irungu koro rito dwe manyien mobiro ng'eyo twech ma doho dhi miye e wi nek ma kamano. Jal bura Grace Nzioka ema nogolo ng'etono.
The result is that the prosecution did not adduce adequate evidence for this court to find the second accused person guilty of the offense of murder of Monica Kimani on the night of 19th of September 2018. The first accused person is convicted on the charge. The second accused person is acquitted of the offense. It is the finding of this court, yes. The case is based on circumstantial evidence, but the prosecution has adduced adequate evidence and has met the threshold. And to sum up, did the first accused person kill the deceased? It is the finding of this court. I'll play back for purposes of my finding. The first accused person stole the ID of Dominic Becerra 2 days prior to the commission of the offense, armed himself with a gun, carried a counsel, put it over his cloth, went to Ramogi Gardens, disguised his identity, gained access to the apartment of the deceased, murdered the deceased, left the deceased house, chained his cloth, and eventually went home and burnt the cloth which he wore during the commission of the offense. It is the finding of this court that all this evidence taken culminatively leads to a strong conclusion that the first accused person murdered the deceased. And therefore, it is the finding of this court that the prosecution has proved beyond reasonable doubt all the ingredients of the offense of murder. The death occurred, the cause of that death, the person who, and in this case, the first accused, I'm still on the first accused person, committed that offense, it was not a case of homicide, excusable homicide, it was unlawful. And therefore I find the first accused person guilty as charged herein of the offense of murder, that on the night of 19th of September 2018, at an unknown time at Ramogi Gardens apartment, Kitara Lane off Dennis Bridge, with others know before this court, he murdered Monica Kimani.